incredible excitement and a lot of planning that went into this event, and I think it's going to be a great success, and I think it's going to be an exciting evening.
For us, we're regarding this as a kind of worldwide operational launch of the A60H, and we're one of the biggest open cast mining countries in the world, and we've had a lot of expectations, so I'm looking forward to it.
On behalf of Babcock Equipment and Volvo Construction Equipment, I'd like to welcome everybody here tonight for this very special evening. We have a number of guests here from Volvo as well that have helped us put this event together, and a very, very special thanks to you guys for coming all the way out from Sweden.
Very warm welcome to you all here from Volvo side, this introduction of our new flagship products.
I think it's a great event. I think it's a great launch for the new machine. I think it looks beautiful.
I'm definitely impressed with this, with the EC950, seeing what it could do, and also the A60. From what I can see, it's a well-balanced machine. For its size. I'm impressed with the A60 as well.
I love the Volvo products. They are very high quality.
Very impressive what we saw tonight. But of course, the proof is in the pudding. The machine is going to work.